Ladies and gentlemen, today we delve into an area of health that is often overlooked but plays a crucial role in the well-being of millions of people around the world, particularly men. We are going to explore a topic that is not only relevant to physical health, but also to intimate relationships and emotional connections. That subject is pelvic floor exercises, specifically Kegel exercises, and their profound impact on one of the most common yet often unspoken issues men face: erectile dysfunction. While it may seem unconventional to discuss such a personal topic in a public setting, there is growing evidence and awareness that proves how essential it is to talk openly about sexual health. It's a subject that impacts not just the individual, but also their partner, their relationships, and their overall quality of life. Many men do not realize that erectile dysfunction, or ED, is not something that can only be treated with medication or invasive treatments. There are simple, natural ways to combat this condition and improve performance, vitality, and confidence in the bedroom. One of the most effective, least discussed solutions is pelvic floor exercises, specifically Kegel exercises. The concept behind Kegel exercises is not new. They were first introduced in the 1940s by Dr. Arnold Kegel, an American gynecologist, as a way to help women strengthen their pelvic floor muscles. However, over the years, it has become increasingly clear that these exercises are just as beneficial for men. To understand the importance of pelvic floor exercises, it is necessary to comprehend the role of the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles support the bladder, rectum, and sexual organs, including the penis. When these muscles are weak, it can lead to several issues, including incontinence, prolapse, and, importantly, erectile dysfunction. The good news, however, is that by strengthening these muscles, men can improve their ability to control erections, enhance sexual performance, and restore a sense of confidence. When we talk about erectile dysfunction, it's essential to understand that ED is not just a physical condition, though it often manifests physically. In many cases, ED has an emotional component as well. Men suffering from erectile dysfunction can experience feelings of shame, frustration, and anxiety, which only exacerbate the problem. But here's where Kegel exercises can provide significant relief. By engaging in pelvic floor exercises, men can begin to regain control of their sexual health, improve blood flow to the genital area, and experience better erections. These exercises also help with stamina, offering a stronger and longer-lasting performance in the bedroom. Now, let's get into the science behind it. The pelvic floor muscles are made up of a group of muscles that form a kind of hammock-like structure across the bottom of the pelvis. These muscles support several organs, including the bladder, rectum, and the prostate. When these muscles become weak or dysfunctional, it can lead to issues with urinary control, bowel movements, and, as we've seen, sexual performance. A major cause of erectile dysfunction is the lack of sufficient blood flow to the penis, often due to weak pelvic floor muscles. When you perform Kegel exercises, you are actively strengthening these muscles, which leads to better control and an increase in blood flow to the area. Blood flow is crucial when it comes to achieving and maintaining an erection, and the stronger your pelvic floor muscles are, the more control you have over your erections. These exercises also help prevent premature ejaculation and can significantly improve the intensity and satisfaction of sexual experiences. But why exactly are pelvic floor exercises so powerful when it comes to combating erectile dysfunction? The answer lies in the concept of muscle strength and endurance. Just as any other muscle group in the body benefits from regular exercise, so too do the muscles of the pelvic floor. By engaging these muscles consistently, you are not only improving their strength, but also their coordination. This enhanced coordination is key for sexual health. When you can control these muscles effectively, you can enhance the timing and strength of your erections. Furthermore, Strengthening these muscles will increase your overall stamina, which is a vital factor in overcoming erectile dysfunction. So how do you perform these exercises? Kegel exercises are incredibly simple and can be done anywhere, anytime, without anyone even noticing. The first step is to identify the pelvic floor muscles. The best way to do this is by stopping urination midstream or tightening the muscles you would use to prevent passing gas. Once you identify these muscles, you can begin practicing the exercises. The basic Kegel exercise involves contracting the pelvic floor muscles for a few seconds, then relaxing them for a few seconds. Start by holding the contraction for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then relax for the same amount of time. Try to repeat this process 10 to 15 times, 3 times a day. As your muscles strengthen, you can gradually increase the duration of each contraction, working up to holding the contraction for 10 seconds. It's important to note that Kegel exercises should be done consistently over time to see results. Just as with any physical training regimen, consistency is key. You might not notice an immediate improvement, but with regular practice, you should begin to feel stronger pelvic floor muscles, which will result in enhanced sexual performance and better erectile function. While Kegel exercises are effective for many men, they are not a cure-all for every case of erectile dysfunction. There are a variety of factors that can contribute to ED, including stress, anxiety, poor diet, obesity, smoking, and medical conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Pelvic floor exercises can certainly help, but they should be seen as part of a comprehensive approach to improving sexual health. In addition to doing Kegel exercises, men who are dealing with erectile dysfunction should also consider making other lifestyle changes. A balanced diet rich in nutrients, regular physical activity, weight management, and stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga can all contribute to better sexual health. It's also important to have open and honest communication with a partner, as emotional intimacy plays a vital role in sexual satisfaction. Erectile dysfunction can strain relationships, and it's essential that couples work together to find solutions. For many men, the prospect of using medication or undergoing surgery to treat erectile dysfunction can be intimidating or undesirable. Fortunately, pelvic floor exercises provide a natural, drug-free alternative that can be practiced in the privacy of your home. These exercises also come with minimal risk and no harmful side effects, making them a safe option for improving erectile function. Men may also be surprised by how much their partners will appreciate the results. When a man is able to overcome erectile dysfunction and improve his sexual performance, it can significantly enhance the intimacy in a relationship. Sexual health is an integral part of overall relationship satisfaction, and by taking the time to work on pelvic floor strength, men can not only improve their health, but also surprise their wives or partners with better performance and increased satisfaction. Moreover, for those who are reluctant to discuss these issues with a doctor or partner, pelvic floor exercises can offer a sense of empowerment. These exercises are something that can be done privately, and they put control back in the hands of the individual. Many men may find it reassuring to know that they have a simple, non-invasive tool to help them address the root cause of their erectile dysfunction. As with any health condition, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine, especially if you have underlying medical conditions that might affect your ability to perform the exercises. A healthcare provider can offer advice and guidance on the best approach for your individual situation. In conclusion, Kegel exercises are a powerful tool that every man should consider incorporating into their daily routine, particularly if they are dealing with erectile dysfunction. These exercises are simple, effective, and natural, and they offer a non-invasive solution to a problem that many men face. By strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, improving blood flow, and enhancing sexual stamina, men can regain control over their erections and improve their overall sexual health. Not only will this benefit their physical well-being, but it will also lead to greater confidence, a more satisfying sex life, and stronger relationships. If you've been struggling with erectile dysfunction, don't underestimate the power of pelvic floor exercises. They just might surprise you and your wife in ways you never expected.